Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful coily wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to easily install this beautiful wig. This wig is from Ashimary Hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. As always, I just brought out the wig and installed it without any glue. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. It's really soft. As you guys can see, it has this like beautiful baby coils, you know. I went ahead to moisturize the wig very well, because when you have a coily wig, you have to make sure to maintain it, and in order to maintain it, you have to always make sure that it's moisturized, like well moisturized. So I went ahead to moisturize it, and I went ahead to create like a middle pattern. It's versatile, so you can create any pattern you want, but I decided to do it like a middle part, and I'm absolutely loving the way it looks. It's very beautiful, very long, and really soft. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So for one of the accessories, they actually gave a hot comb, which I think is absolutely amazing, seriously. So this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see that the coils are so beautiful, like they're so tiny and so beautiful, and it's so soft. So as you guys can see, it's a full lace frontal wig. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Make you slow down, girl. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder. Then I'm gonna apply my beard head spray to hold the lace frontal. And I'm gonna tie a scarf on it and leave it to dry. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf. Show them that you got it. You guys can see that it looks so nice. It just blends very well with my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create a middle pattern. After making the pattern, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer on it to make it look more natural. You can stand by me anywhere, all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know. Then I'm gonna spray water on the hair, and then I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner and also my head heat protectant oil, because I'm trying to moisturize the hair. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky, bad man, I see. Bulaka. So yeah, I'm gonna use my hot comb and comb the front area to lay it flat. Then right here, I'm gonna do my baby hair, which is totally optional. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother. So after doing the baby hair, I'm gonna spray the beard hair spray once more and tie a scarf on it and leave it for like 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna comb it a little bit more. And yes guys, this is the final look. You guys can see that these colors are absolutely beautiful. They are so popping. Like, I absolutely love this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.